episode. Previously I talked about digital marketing and I explained what digital marketing is and also all the aspects of digital marketing. So, in this particular episode, I'm going to be talking about digital marketing tools and what they are used for. So the first one I'm going to be talking about are content creation tools. So when it comes to content creation, content can either be text, it can either be graphics, and it can also either be video. So for text content creation, you can make use of ChatGPT, copy.io to actually like write your content, or you can write your own content, give it to either of these softwares or tools, then they help you to refine it and give you something better that you can make use of. And for graphics, you can make there are a lot of tools you can use to design graphics. You can use Canva, you can use what's it called, you can use Photoshop, you can use CorelDRAW to actually like design graphics. And for video content creation, you can make use of CapCut, you can make use of InShot, and you can also make use of Adobe Premiere Pro, depending on how good you are with any of these two. So for you to create content, these are the tools you can actually like make use of to actually like create content. Also, the next tools I'm going to be looking at are ad creation and ad placement tools, because digital marketing involves you like placing all these content on social media so that people can actually see, or digital platforms so that people can see. So if you want to run sponsored advertisement on these platforms, so take for example you want to run on Facebook and Instagram, you have to make use of Facebook Ads Manager, which is now known as the Meta Ads Manager. So this is the two you can actually use to place advertisement on Facebook and Instagram. If you want to do advert on TikTok, you have to make use of TikTok Ad Manager. If you want to do on Snapchat, you make use of Snap Ad Manager. And if you want to do on YouTube or you want to do on Google, you have to make use of Google Ads Manager. So these are the tools that are used for actually like setting up of ad and also placing of ad on these digital platforms. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is social media management app. The first one I'm going to be looking at is Hootsuite. So Hootsuite is a social media is a platform whereby when you are done creating your content, you can upload it into it. Then you are going to schedule it that okay, this content should go live on all my platform by maybe 2 a.m., 2 p.m. and all sorts. So if you're someone who is just starting now, you can create your whole content for a week over the weekend, then put it on Hootsuite, then schedule it. This should go up 8 a.m. on Monday, this on Tuesday, this on Wednesday. You can do that for the whole week. You just schedule it, and when it is time, the tool automatically like help you to like upload your content on all the social media platform without even you having to stress yourself. Another platform you can use for this is also Buffer. You can also use Sprout Social as well to actually do this. So this next digital marketing we are going to be looking at is the analytics tree. So for analytics, depending on the how comprehensive what you want to do is, each of the social media platforms actually come with inbuilt analytics, whereby you can actually see, okay, this content I pushed out, how many people saw it, how many people engaged with it, how many comments do I have, and also so all the digital platforms actually come with their inbuilt analytics. But another tool you can use, take for example, you are running advertisement and you are sending your traffic to a website. You can make use of Google Analytics to actually like check out, okay, how many people came to this website, what are the pages they visited on the website, and what are the things they did on the website. So to do this, you can make use of Hotjar, but the most common and the cheapest, because let me say cheapest because I mean you don't have to pay for it, is Google Analytics. So you also be in need of like Google Analytics to also be able to like know that okay, how many people are actually like getting to my landing page from the particular advert in which I'm running. So the last one I'm going to be talking about in this particular video is the customer relation tool, or the CRM software. So for you to do you can make use of HubSpot. Again, the name is HubSpot. So I've actually used HubSpot before, and So it has different dashboard, and what you do there is just that, take for example, you are running an ad for a particular product and people start reaching out to you. So on HubSpot you can put their details. Okay, on so date XYZ person reached out to inquire about XYZ products. These were the things I told the person. This was what we conclude on. If you're able to close the sale, you put it there, you close the sale. If you're not able to close the sale, you put it there, okay, I didn't close it. I intend to reach out to this person on XYZ date and all sorts. So, HubSpot help you to be able to like do this in the sense that you can be able to like generate a comprehensive report on all that you've done, and anyone can actually like go into the platform to see what you've done and all sorts, and also be able to like follow through. So basically these are like the tools that you need as someone who wants to like learn digital marketing. These are all the tools you'll be in need of, like to be able to like kick off your journey or your process into the world of digital marketing. The first one I talked about content creation tools. I talked about ad placement tools. I talked about social media management tools. I also talked about analytics tools and also customer relationship management or CRM softwares or tools that you can actually use to manage communication between you and your customers. I believe you've learned one or two things from this particular episode. Watch out for the next episode on this particular series. Thank you so much.